High-end visual storytelling once required millions of dollars, heavy equipment, and a small army of technicians just to turn on the lights. Achieving professional sound was equally restrictive, requiring hours of booked time in dedicated studios, built around massive, expensive analog boards. The first digital revolution collapsed these physical recording environments into software, putting the studio inside a box. These remaining barriers crumbled as generative AI emerged. Today, a lone creator summons entire cinematic worlds through a single text prompt. Every creator now works from a starting line of infinite accessibility. This accessibility brings an immediate consequence: a market flooded with thousands of highly specific, disconnected AI applications. Creators are caught in a skills earthquake, forced to constantly context switch between disparate image, video, and audio generators just to finish a single project. Moving raw files between these disconnected models strips away the metadata used to prove ownership. This friction makes tracking project history and legal attribution nearly impossible. This fragmentation results in AI slop, mass-produced, low-effort content that lacks a coherent artistic vision. The modern creator possesses powerful generation tools, yet they lack the underlying structural infrastructure to orchestrate them into a professional work. Professionals combat the rise of AI slop through a hybrid workflow, blending machine speed with human emotional resonance. They use AI to absorb mechanical labor. The machines generate rhythmic foundations or automate rotoscoping, the process of isolating objects frame by frame, leaving the core creative spark to the human. Decades ago, physical recording studios were replaced by digital multi-track software, sparking an in-the-box revolution for music. This multi-track logic now applies to visual assets and complex visual effects pipelines. True professionals treat these models as a hyper-efficient mechanical crew, waiting for precise directorial instructions. This efficiency marks the death of the drawer. Bold or bizarre concepts no longer end up shelved because they were too expensive to visualize. A solo creator with a structured workflow can match the raw output capacity of a full-scale media agency. In this new landscape, flawless cinematic lighting and high-fidelity graphics have become standard, baseline commodities, a phenomenon known as aesthetic inflation. Success now requires becoming an AI auteur. Like director Wes Anderson, the AI auteur leads through a distinct style, placing curation and taste above the technical ability to use software. When everyone uses the same rendering tools, the only thing that rises to the top is a unique point of view. Mastering a prompt is useless if the creator fails to master the underlying principles of storytelling. To survive aesthetic inflation, creators are shifting toward a unified AI creator foundation. These centralized ecosystems coordinate raw compute, generation tools, and monetization mechanics into one environment. Talonsight provides this essential infrastructure layer, replacing the chaos of disconnected apps with purpose-built terminals. Terminals like Sonic Genesis and Talon Motion allow creators to move across audio and visual domains within a single connected environment. Invisible infrastructure transforms raw machine outputs into professional creative assets. This unified approach solves the issue of tracking attribution in a market saturated with synthetic media. Talonsight solves the ownership nightmare through the POW ledger. This integrated tracking system securely records a file's exact origin, embedding digital provenance directly into the creation pipeline. With its history verified, the asset becomes a monetizable product with legal protections intact. By 2026, bold human imagination serves as the ultimate differentiator. The future belongs to those who use unified systems to amplify their own unique ideas.